Are you tired of boring burgers? Me too. You know what else I'm also tired of? Boring seasons like winter. That's right. We're through winter. We got the Blackstone going back on. We're reseasoning it right now. We're going to throw some burgers on there. We're going to crush some burgers. I'm super pumped. You can hear a cardinal in the background. That's right. It's super gray here in Connecticut, but the weather's turning nice. Let's do this. What's up, everybody? All right, we have some burgers going on the flat top today. That's right, it's back to Blackstone season. We're gonna hit it with some we already hit it with some guys. We're gonna throw some kind of thicker chunks of onion on there as well, almost like a Flying Dutchman burger. We have some brioche buns that I'm super pumped about. We have some jalapeno pickles. That's right, not pickled jalapenos, but jalapeno pickles. Stay tuned. All right, we've got our burgers on. We've got our onion on. We're just letting them cook. They smell delicious. They look delicious. Super pumped. Onion is looking good. Oh yeah. Let's top it on the burger. Boom. Look at that. Oh baby, that's looking good. All right, we've got our onion. We've got our spicy pickles, ketchup, mustard. Boom. That's looking awesome.